kitesurfing, a pussycat graffiti in your room, an aqua park, and amazing sea life right in front of the door. Welcome to Grassy Flats on Grassy Key.
First, let's explore the pools. The resort offers 2 oceanfront pool areas. One of them is an adults-only pool.
In this area you will also find the hot tub.
The family pool is right next to the tiki bar. But this isn't just a place to relax.
It's also a popular kiteboarding destination.
Steady breezes averaging 15 to 25 knots from late fall through spring make it a great spot for every age and activity level. Beginners can also book lessons here.
Especially great is that kayaks and paddleboards are complimentary for hotel guests. These vessels allow you to discover the surroundings of the hotel by sea. Now, let's go check out the rooms. We booked a 2-bedroom suite in the Conch House and this is what we got. A comfy living room, a full stacked kitchen, a cat graffiti on the wall, and 2 nice bedrooms, of course. And 2 bathrooms, a small one and the big one.
Soap, shampoo and conditioner are available. Last but not least, we would also like to mention the sunny balcony with the great view.
So, where is Grassy Flat located and what else is there to discover?
Grassy Flats is a family-owned boutique resort located on Grassy Key.
Nearby attractions are the Dolphin Research Center and a great sports bar at mile marker 59.
Just a mile away from the resort you'll also find the lagoon, home of the Keys Cable Park for wakeboarding,
the Room Runner Aqua Park
and the Lagoon Saloon and Surf Shop. Now to our conclusion. What we liked about this resort are the amazing rooms,
many activities in the immediate vicinity,
and the 2 great pools.
A little less great is that the selection of restaurants and shopping in the area is quite limited. Overall, we give this resort 4 out of 5 stars.
More Florida videos will follow soon.